Hello there. I heard you want to play SAMP or MTA or aka GTA San Andreas multiplayer. I'm gonna guide you through on how to get the game and also the extension or the app that can bring you to play multiplayer with your friends. First things first, grab your browser. Second thing second, type in top GTA. Should be the very first link, MTA Daisy top GTA. I'll put a link in the description. Now get this. You can see it's a website. You can see that these screenshots are actually from in-game, from the MTA server. Some of them are heavily modded, so if you don't mind checking them out, go ahead. Some of them are legit like hardcore Daisy stuff, and if you're into that, hey, go ahead, why not? But you can see it says, do you want to play top GTA? It's easy. Use or install it to download and install everything for you. Then you press on it. Great. I mean, if you don't understand anything from here, it's fine. I'll show it to you. Like, this is basically the installer. Top GTA installer. You can see the main. Download GTA San Andreas, MTA, the multiplayer extension. This is another multiplayer extension, but you can also use that if you want. And then the rest is for, I don't know, for Daisy servers here, add-ons that you shouldn't even really download unless you really want to play on those servers. Anyway, download. I can see that I already have it, so for me it doesn't make any sense. But basically you press on download and you save it. Alright? I already have it, so to me it doesn't make any sense. Now, let me see. Where the fuck do I have it? I think I'm an idiot. The fuck is it? Here. Exactly. Now, just like it's stated before on the website, you have the main and the add-ons. Now, like I said, I'll say it again. If you want to play DayZ, or at least GTA more DayZ style, you can leave the add-ons to it. Of course, you need like over 5 gigabytes, probably even more actually, to download this, but hey, fuck it, let's install it. Now, from my side, I say you uncheck those things with the add-ons, like if you don't want to play that. You can also uncheck MTA if you don't need it. From my side, if you want to play MTA, go ahead, check it. You can play another version of multiplayer, but I am going with SAMP. That's my place. Good. Now, you need to pick a place to install it. From my side, make a new fucking folder and call it, I don't know, SA, for example, for San Andreas. Pick the desktop, search it up, SA, select folder. And it's going to say it's not recommended to use desktop as installation directory. Would you like to select another directory? You press on no. It doesn't matter. Trust me, it doesn't matter. Even if you pick the one that's set up here, the games directory, it doesn't make any fucking change. So you choose, basically. Press on install. Yes, and it's going to do its thing in the background, checking its downloaded files. You can see it's downloading pretty fast. Now I already have it downloaded, right? For me it doesn't make any sense. You right now have GTA San Andreas on your PC for free. No joke. You want GTA, just to play GTA San Andreas or multiplayer? Here you go. For fucking free. Now I don't know how legal this is, but if the developers of this DayZ servers and whatever have it out there, you know, just in plain sight to download, they should actually, I don't know, get sued maybe for distributing the game for free. I mean, the game is not accessible or what do you call it? Buyable? I got no idea. You can't buy the game anymore, to my understanding. Anyway, you can see down here it says installation is finished. So the game is installed. It will create a shortcut for you if you need that. Now I don't really need it. And the directory is just right here. Now, oops. Now, what you're gonna do? Let me grab my thing again. You're not gonna need the top GTA.net anymore. you can go in here and type in SAMP. Fuck, my bad. SAMP. It should be actually the first server. Again, I'll put links in the description because I want you guys to get the game if you want to play. So here you go. News, whatever, blah blah blah. You can read about it. Like, it's been for a very long time out there. So download the client, and you always pick the latest client, to my understanding. Even though it doesn't really make any difference, you pick something different. Now it's going to say, please note the same request GTS Andreas DVD game for PC version 1 US EU, which is exactly what we got in here. So do not worry about it. I actually use Steam version of it, and the Steam version crashes after, God knows, sometimes after 1 minute or less than 1 minute, and sometimes after half an hour. So know that, download it from topgta.net. It's way easier. Now I'm gonna click the first one, and as you can see I already have it downloaded, so for me it doesn't make any sense to download it once again. It didn't make any sense to install this new clean SA again either, but sure. So SAMP, here we go. The installer, you press on yes, just like always, press on agree, and then you pick the designated folder where you have the game in. To me it's of course SA, but you know, in SA we have the other folder called GTS and Andreas, which we will press OK, because this should be our server. I don't know, but I think it automatically detected it for some other reason, which is pretty cool. I press on install, finished, great. Now, to show you that it's actually working, alright, both single player and multiplayer, I'm going to actually play it. Alright, for me it shows this thing with, you know, the graphics cards and whatever not, like, bro, just let me play. Maybe in your computer it doesn't say that, but for me it does for some other reason. And I don't know why, but I cannot select 1920 by 1080, which is quite sad, but you know what, just let me play. I cannot select it sadly. I don't know why it's not detecting on my screen, but it should actually work just fine. Let me just delete this because I don't need it anymore on my screen. It's probably because I already have it installed somewhere else. Here we go. Hopefully it works out this time. Brian, fucking sweat. Yes, there you go. Now, note one thing. In this one I have silent patch installed. I'll get to silent patch as well for it. But you can see it's here, it's running, I don't see a problem. You can play a new game if you want, go ahead, not a big deal. And it's going to work just fine, as you can see. I do not see any problem in it. Good. Now, we go to the SAMP stuff. Good. Oh, I need to remember this because I forgot it as well. So you have favorites where you can save the servers that you really like to play on for later, so you can just join in way more quickly rather than going on internet and having, I don't know, over 100 servers loading in. Like, look at this. Servers. This is how many players there are, this is how many servers there are. It's already gone over 100 servers. I think I once had 400 servers. So we're just going to pick one fucking game out of these ones and save it, and we're going to play it just for a bit to see what it is about. Now, it's all up to you what you want to play. Now you can also sort out by the mode that you want to play the mode, but it depends. You can also play SAMP on your phone, by the way, but I am not really informed enough about that. But yes, it is in fact possible. Anyway, let's pick a server. GTA Mobile Vietnam, nope. Let's go with SRP, nah. I don't want to join the Russian servers. I'm a bit skeptical about them, if you know what I mean. I don't want to get my shit stolen. B-Zone RPG Easter Quest. Let's go with this one. Now you can click 2 times and you can press on connect if you want. I don't know what the save button does. Does it save it up? It doesn't. Okay. I know what the save button does. But anyway. If you want to give to one of your friends the server that you want to play, or you know, and so you play, so you can play together, right click and then server properties. You have the address right here. Use Ctrl and C, alright, to copy it, because this is the way to go. Then go to favorites, you add to your favorites, and then you Ctrl V, which already copied what you had, I guess. Press on OK, and there you go, you have the server right here. Now what I'm gonna do is play... Not found. Wait, what? It was because probably I deleted the other one. But here you go. It was... What is it? SAMP2. Here you go. It was because I downloaded it again, most probably. And the game recognized the newer download. And that's why it had to say, hey bro, you fucked up. But anyway, we're in the game. Now, some servers will ask you for a password, and of course, if you don't want to waste, to lose your account, you're going to need one. So apparently this is a Romanian server, I think. So we are just going to, let's see, can we log in? Yes sir. Account is loading. So this looks like the village server I play on, and by that I mean Porto Los Santos. Do we have XP? Okay, we do not have XP. But yeah, this is like the first stuff. Like there's the Easter event here. And I don't know where the other players are, but if I go on the map, I mean I have an objective. Let me do the objective real quick. Let's see what this is all about. I want to see the players on the map or meet with some of them, but fuck it. I didn't choose the one I always play on. Oh, I need to do the driving exam. And I'm the mod for it. But that's how you play multiplayer. Now it doesn't say much, but that's basically the multiplayer done. The thing is, I don't know why I can find players, probably scripted like this. Let me see if I can go to... I mean, if I go to Porto Los Santos, you're going to see that I'll find a player. So don't say that it's fake. I'm not faking shit on my channel. At least I'm not trying to. Now, you can also play with a controller if you want to. I am not the guy to use this thing. Like, take me out, scratch me off the list. You can use a controller. The thing is, I forgot how to do it. But here we are. Porto Los Santos. And you can see the players on the map. You know, this, I don't know how to call them. The white blips on the map. Like, look, right down here. That's a player. Hey, bro. He just locked and unlocked his doors. I heard that. And you can play around with friends just like that. Now it depends on which server you are. Not every server is the same. Not every server is the same. But anyway, that's it. Like, there is nothing to it. The only thing I would recommend you to do is probably to install Silent Patch. Silent Patch for GTA San Andreas, alright? So, you know, when you are in the fucking menu, sometimes the mouse is not working. For me at least, it happens. So what I do, I install Silent Patch. It is, in fact, allowed to be used on servers because it's not giving you any advantages. It's just helping you out with the menu. So So you can see it has a lot of stuff, I guess, has I think even an input for the control, whatever. But how do you install it? Next question, I forgot. Was the links? Give me a second, chat, I actually forgot. Oh, look down here. So there you go, you press on download. And you should actually install it for you, but I already have it. As you can see, it's going to make another file and call it to silent page 1. I don't want that. So let me see. Where do I have it? I have it in the downloads, to my understanding. I should actually clean up my stuff in here. I have so much shit, man, that I don't take care of. You guys probably saw it already. I am blind as fuck. Silent patch, silent patch. I think it would be easy if I just write in here silent. Okay, silent patch. There you go. This is the one. I have this. Now, of course, you have WinRAR. It's going to work up to FF7Z. It should actually work fine. Now, you will have the readme tags. I always read those to see if there is anything about it that I really need to take care of. As you can see, it's not saying much, but look, installation. As SA doesn't load the ASI files by default, you need an ASI loader. Good. What do you do with that? So basically you have the files, you can put them in directory, but they won't actually work. So I'm going to put this aside, and we are actually going to look out after one of those ASI loader for GTA SA. Now apparently I downloaded from this place, I think, from GitHub. I could be very wrong about it, but I downloaded it from somewhere. Or this one. Yeah, GTA Garage sounds more like it. You basically just press on download mod. Then look, you have options, which you go for the first one, the ASI loader. You don't need the source code. I mean, if you want to create something new, go ahead. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. So, what do you do with that? Oops. Folder, downloads, and then ASI, and you should have the ASI loader right here. Now it says the readme text. In order to install it, you just need to place both DLL provided files to game like overwriting the old files. So basically, to my understanding, and what I did was, let me open it. You can see that I have all of them in here, so I just bang. It's the safest way to make it work, and the fastest probably, instead of just picking bang. You can also do that if you want. I just went for the safer route to be 100%. You copy that in, then you copy. I mean, you don't need a readme text file, you can put it in there as well if you want to. And again, I already have it. So that's it. There's the tutorial on how to install SAMP, MTA, and GTA San Andreas. If you like this video, make sure you give me a follow on Twitch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like, and we shall see each other pretty soon. Bye bye.